Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today we'll be flying an Airbus beluga from Tokyo Handia International Airport from Orenji to Perth International. So let's jump right into the video. Oh my gosh. I almost rode into the airport. Antonov A225 Maria. That's a really big plane, but sadly it's bombed by the annoying Russians. And that is very bad because I love the Antonov. It was a very good plane, but they said they will build a new one, which is even better. The Antonov is all the way there. I've never flown a beluga in a video, but they are pretty butter machines, because if you didn't know, they're literally a Airbus A330, just with like this ball thing, this like big blob over it. So if you didn't know that, I just told you a fact. But anyways, it is so if I am correct, the A330 is a butter machine. We already know that because I literally flown one and I always do butter landings, and it is a butter machine. So if I am correct, the beluga is a butter machine because it's an A330. I literally had a try to do that before this video, and it was gonna be this video, but it was 18 minutes long and I'm not verified, so I cannot do that. It's way too long. And it was all the way to Italy running, and I had to do a refuel, and that's not good. So instead I thought I could do it to Perth. So that's why that's why I wanted to do it to Perth. We're landing at Perth International. You can see it's right there, but so I should have been like 50% right now on throttle so I could land there, but instead, since I've already done that, I have no going back, because then I have to take really sharp turns and get a wing strike. And that happened to me while I flew Ryanair yesterday without doing a video. I had to take a really sharp turn because I did that mistake, and I had a wing strike. And it was a really hard landing. So they probably hired me, but I wish that was a butter landing. That's what my goal was. Southwest. There's a southwest plane, but they call it northeast. Now I'm going on 75 throttle. I'm gonna have to take a really big turn like that to go around the mountain with Lucla on it, and then I'm gonna be landing on the straight runway. The diagonal one, I'm not gonna land on that one. I could have, but I would have to take a sharp turn. But I thought this one would be better because that one would be too quick, so I wouldn't have time to like reduce throttle and reduce engines. So that's why I picked this one. I am at 2,000 feet, so I should go down. That's Lukla right there. There's literally a plane that crashed right there. I had to move my tripod for that. I think we'll make it. 1,000 feet. We'll maybe get landing gear when we reach the beach or something. But maybe the hotel. Or maybe where those like guide lights are, where the lights that guide you at night. Maybe there. Oh yes, land speed. Since I am on land speed, I'm thinking maybe at the end of the beach I should pull my landing gear. No. Oh. Okay, we're landing. We're approaching the runway and the end of the beach. Some landing gears.
Minimum 200.
Whoa.
20.
Crosswind.
10.
Retard. Yes. Butter. Much better. There's the cargo section. I never knew that cargo section was there. All I did was looked. I never knew it was here, so that was a really good guess. I'll just skip that. Okay. I don't know how my tripod was facing that way the whole time. But anyways, I have parked. And, well, we have finished the video. So, thank you guys for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.